Cheese.
Cheese? You saying cheese?
Uh-huh.
Can you tell me you had a really good day today?
I did it.
Say, I've got the hiccups.
I hate chops.
And say, I went to gymnastics.
I got Sussex.
Yeah. And then you had a nap. Say you had a nap.
I went.
And then you had a bath with Daddy and Mommy.
I got the mommy.
Okay.
Sissy.
And Sissy, that's right. Yeah, she was in the bath too. So now it's time to go to bed. So you've got to wave and say night-night.
Night-night.
Say night-night, Grandma.
Night-night, Grandma.
Say night-night, Grandpa.
Night-night, Grandpa.
Say night-night, aunties.
Night-night, aunties.
Say see you tomorrow.
Say hello.
Okay. Now give one more. Mwah. Do that.
Mm.
Oh, he got a hiccup. Do it again. One more time. Ah, very good. Good night. Hey, who's that? Okay, now we can all say goodnight. Say goodnight.
Night-night.
Say goodnight, Grandpa.
Night-night, Papa.
Say goodnight, Grandma.
Night-night, Mama.
And then say goodnight, aunties.
Night-night, aunties.
Now blow him a kiss. Hey, blow him a kiss, Maddie. Do a good one. Okay. Good night.